Monica Pier, at the Santa Monica Pier. My husband is always interrupting my vlogging. Don't interrupt my granny. Slash Beyonce. Okay guys, I'm just going to take a moment to talk to you guys about life. No, I'm just kidding. We're currently at the Santa Monica Pier. Honestly, I'm like so confused with all the places or the name of the places, but it's so beautiful out here and I'm just getting some vitamin D. And honestly, if you feel like stressed out or if you're tired from this freaking job you have that you don't love, come to the beach and just enjoy like the sound of the beach, the birds, the sun. It's so good. It's really like my medicine to cure. Oh my god, I'm so spiritual right now. I'm sorry I didn't vlog like 2 days. I think I didn't vlog like 2 days because honestly I really needed some time to relax, to be with my husband. And I feel like LA, if you walk around LA, everything has to do with like social media. Everyone is like taking Instagram pictures, and of course, you know, it's important because it's part of our job and I love like watching everything on Instagram. But on the other side, sometimes I feel like you have to be in the moment, and I wasn't really in the moment a couple of days. So I just wanted to really like take everything in and really truly enjoy life, if you know what I mean. But vlogging again, I'm going to combine those two, but I really needed some time, you know, to kind of like relax, yeah. And I think you all can relate. I hope you all can understand. But look at my view. Terry and Sanchez are over there, two friends from the UK. Look at this. If you're wondering why I wear this much makeup, my skin, I know it's kind of like I do the opposite, but my skin is really bad at the moment, so I didn't really feel comfortable wearing nothing. Yeah, so that's why. I'm human too, girls, I'm human too. So we didn't really plan everything, but we are going to do some nice stuff, and we really like to you know, check out on a daily basis what we're going to do instead of planning everything. I really don't like that. So yeah, so I'm gonna enjoy a little bit more. See you later. Hey guys, so finally I have some makeup on. I feel so alive when I do, like, I only have like 5 minutes for my hair, so that's why my hair always looks like, but I finally had some time to do my makeup and I feel so alive again. Feeling myself, feeling myself, I'm feeling my and today we're going to Koreatown at night, so I'm really very curious to see what we're going to find there. I heard there's a very good cute cosmetic store, like a Japanese cosmetic store, so I really want to visit that. And actually we're just kind of like chilling and walk on the Hollywood Boulevard. So tomorrow we're going to take the bike from Santa Monica Pier to Venice Beach. Yeah.
Music with hip hop, I'll never stop it. I don't need it person, I don't use it. Turn up the corner.
Oh, thank you. You're beautiful. Hey guys, we are currently in Venice Beach. We rented two bicycles. We rode from Santa Monica to Venice Beach, and I think it's prettier around here, right?
Well, if it's not,
Yeah, it's more like alive. There are more like young people. It's very Instagram proof, but it's very, very nice. So we're just going to have some fun today, going to chill, relax a bit, and then we're going to take it with us. So stay tuned. Bella ciao 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 la 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 la. Casa di Papel. We just watched Casa di Papel and we just finished it and we're so obsessed with it. And And now this song is like in my head like 24/7. Oh, we're chilling. This feels so incredibly good. This feels amazing. And what I really like about LA, I don't know if it's like the same like everywhere, but no one really pays attention to each other. Everyone's doing their own thing. I see people walking with like killer buddies. I see people walking with, you know, everyone feels like very comfortable in their skin. And I feel like no one is judging. That's what it looks like from the outside. I don't know how it like really is, but everyone's like so chilled out, so relaxed. Yeah, I really love the vibe here. Love it. Show some character, babe. Hola, ¿cómo estás? So, still speaking Spanish after watching de Papel. And we're currently chilling. It's a bit chilly out here. We're chilling. It's a bit chilly out here. I could be a rapper. But yeah, it's a bit chilly out here, so that's why I'm looking like this. I don't know if you can relate to this, but when you're like cold and tired, you don't give a on how you look. So the Hubs, he practiced his accent, his very American accent. So we came like across a homeless person, and we wanted to offer him some water. And he said, "Yo, bro, would you like to have some water?" And he said, like, so American. He said it's so American. And today he actually ordered some Starbucks, and he's actually very nervous to spell his name. So he says like Ahmed, and because the name Ahmed is like quite well known here, and they actually write it very good. So he says Ahmed, and when someone says, "Sorry, can you spell that?" Then he just does like this. Like I should come up to there and then spell the name. It's okay if you can't speak, like my English is like, but yeah, he goes from like would you like to have some water to I can't spell my name. And today you've ordered some. What did you what did you order at Starbucks? Okay, I will say it to you. He ordered 2 cappuccinos. That went very well. So can I have 2 cappuccinos with almond milk? Almond milk is very like with a Dutch accent, because we say like almond milk. Almond milk. 2 shots. What kind of shot did you order? 2 almond milk with 1 shot. 2 shots. Water. And when we went to Coachella, he continuously said, "So you're going to Coachella? Coachella?" So he goes from American to very Dutch to American to Dutch. Isn't that true, mate? Oh, bro. Caramba, muchacha, Dios mío, Huda, what are you doing? Why did she post it? Ah, she talked openly about Photoshop. I like that. I like it when people talk openly about Photoshop. What do you think of Photoshop? I Photoshop my skin, you guys, because, you know, I don't think everyone wants to see like pimples and like lines and, you know, because it's just not very charming when you see that on Instagram. But I feel like everyone knows that we all use like Facetune, and that's completely normal, and it's completely normal to think that that is just not real. It's just not real life, and for me it's very logical. But maybe some girls, I don't know, don't look at it in the same way. Only need the sun when it starts to snow. Only know you love her when you let her go. Like when it starts to snow. Coachella, almond milk. 2 shots. Some water. Hey man, you want some water? homeless person was like, I don't know if I want it.